They say it's not over till the fat lady sings. But with so many industrial lines now having at least some diesels, it seems for many rail fans the glory days of steam in China have already passed by. But as we shall see in this programme, despite all the predictions about steam being totally annihilated by the time of the Beijing Olympics in 2008, there are still a few pockets of distinctive, genuine, everyday steam action to be enjoyed in China.